Hello everyone, my name is Jelle and I'm going to teach you guys some strategies about Forex. Well, first of all, what is Forex? Because this is my first video to you guys, I'm gonna explain a little bit more before I go into the basics. So Forex, for probably you guys already know, it's the biggest financial market in the world right now, and a lot of people are trying to trade and make money on this market. All right. So the problem is most of you guys don't really know what you're up to. So you're going into the market, you put your real money into it and don't really know what you're doing. And most of you guys will lose money because you don't have any knowledge about the Forex market. Well, that's where I am going to help you guys, alright? So first of all, this is the Forex market, the euro against USD. Um, for more basic knowledge about Forex, we can do another video, but today I'm going to have a talk about some basic support resistance zones, and next video I probably will go about um, price trap. Price trap is some strategy we use to find breakouts between the zones. Alright, so zones. What are zones? What are support resistance? So very easy. Support resistance. Support is literally the bottom of the market where the price really has trouble to break through. All right. So I'm going to look for a nice example here, and I'm going to draw it like that. So this is a nice support zone actually. I will draw a nice line here, and I will make also a little box so you guys can see it more clearly. Alright, so as you can see here, the market broke through this resistance level, because as you can see the market had trouble going up here, here and here. Here it broke through that last resistance level, and we made a new support level here. Alright, so as you can see here at this support level, we had multiple touches at this level, but the market didn't move through it because it didn't have enough volume. Alright, this has something to do with the banks, news, etc., etc., but that's a little bit too much information for now. Now, you're probably asking, how are we going to trade with this? Well, we are going to look for support and resistance levels, and we are going to trade between them, or we trade, we wait and we go to trade the breakouts. All right, as you can see here, as a nice resistance level. All right, so now, for example, you can only see the market until this level. You see here we start in the new support level, and we see we make here a new resistance level, and a nice trade setup will be like this. As you see, the wick of this candle, the wick is the small long stick at this candle. This would be a perfect buy entry. Buy entry like this, and we go to our resistance level, and we stop around, for example, 10 pips down. Alright, dus as you can see, this would be a perfect buy setup. Just easy support resistance. And over time, if you see, this was at the 4th of December, and we could have hit our take profit at, let's say, the 5th or 6th. of December. Alright, so 1 or 2 days for 40 pips. 40 pips is not bad for a simple trade. You could have found in literally 2 minutes. Alright, but it is only simple support resistance. If we go further into the market, because this, as you already know, this is back in history, you can see that most of the time support and resistance levels will come back in the future. As you can see here, this is our resistance level, but as you go further into the market, our resistance level becomes our new support level. Here, 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 and here. Alright? Now, as you can see, also our previous support level is also here, again, a support level. So again, as you can see, when we touched here, and we see that the market doesn't have enough volume to break through our new support level, this would have been a perfect buy setup. And if you let this buy setup, if you had have bought here and you let this buy setup run and just put your stop loss at break even or in your profit when you are, for example, here in the market, you could have got from here to here or to here. That would have been, for example, if you got to here, 150 pips. 150 pips. I don't know if you guys all know what a pip is, but that could have been a lot of money. Alright? With a little simple setup, again, it only took 2 minutes. Okay? As we go a little bit further into the market, we also see again that the same level we draw earlier is again a support and resistance level in the future. So remember that, guys. If you go back into the markets, you can see that a lot of the times support and resistance levels from in the past will come back into the future and will most of the time also be important levels which we can trade on. As you can see here, this is also a support level and resistance level here, and currently in the market we are at that same place. So this could be, I say could, I'm not saying that it will, but this could be a nice level to return to here, for example. But we will go through that in another video. Now, this is only Euro USD. For example, I will go to Euro GBP, clean the chart for a minute. Now, as you can see, this is always the same. I'm just going to draw the same lines again. Simple support resistance. So from this area, for this area in the market, I will as you can see, I'm going to wait a second. As you can see, here we had two nice wicks, so I'm going to draw my resistance level there because I see that the market doesn't have enough volume to go over that line. All right. Most of the time I will draw little boxes around it because it's not. Most of the time it's not only just one price, but an area around some price. All right. For example, here at the downside again. As you can see, this this wick, when this candle closed, this was a perfect entry for a sell. A sell, short position, sell from here, stop at our level, and to our next level. Alright, perfect sell for 120 pips. Again, nice profits. For example, if you took this trade, again, nice wick. If you had entered here for the buy, I will show you guys. Buy again until the next zone. Again, 137 pips. This is the most simple and easy strategy to trade on, and literally every beginner can learn this in a matter of minutes, of hours. For our next video, I will show you guys how we will trade on the breakout on these levels and what strategy you can use there. For example, why we could have took this trade here for a sell to here, for example. But I will let you guys know in the next video. For sure, if you want to know more about Forex, please like and subscribe. I will do almost every day a new video, new strategies. If you guys have any questions about some strategies or some markets, how they work, please let me know so I can make videos about them as well. Alright, I'm signing off, guys. Have a good weekend. Bye bye.